Didn't even need to
give that a bit of thought, haven't I?
That's not. Quiz team here, you have the intelligence in this team, is the problem. That is the problem of those three.
Routine. They've repeated the same ones a few times before.
Do you know what I mean? Sega could make it a bit more difficult for him. I think Sega.
Bottle caps. So what's 2 plus 2? 5. He grabs it still. So.
It's a generous card, isn't it? Yeah, it's a generous card.
No, I'd actually. We want the goal in the ground early on Friday.
So you can win a prize by just being in your seat, and if you're not, someone else will get the prize instead. Don't miss it. Give this video a share. Make sure.
What did you just say?
And I'll even deliver right to your front door. Enter by the link file below.
Get to the game early this week, take on Germany, you can win a prize.
And I'll even deliver right to your front door. Enter by the link below.
That was it.
And I'll even deliver right to your front door. Enter via the link below. Good luck.
Good game. Well deserved. Yeah.
Thanks very much, man. Appreciate it. Thank you.
He was playing with the broken wrist in the class. Big man stuck an Under Armour on it, didn't he? Just make it look good.
He didn't score up, I scored too, so that's what I mean.
See where I'm from, you think?
Oh, man, it's class, man.
Congratulations, well done. What's next?
I hope we get a big one next minute. Obviously, I have an interview next week with our manager and stuff, so I'm forward to that. But I want a big one, mate.
You in for a wee bit tonight then?
I'm in for a bit,
Did you do it, Lewis?
Maybe the force ways with it.
Very.
Thanks, man. Remember to give out the awards and all. That's just Lewis.
Did a doctor at the fight actually.
Oh, really?
Yeah, well, one of about 6 of us with Martin Duffy and all. I don't know if you know Martin. Yeah. So,
do you usually work with Foxes?
what?
Do you usually work with Foxes?
No, I don't. I'm the doctor of the team, and then Martin. Do you know Martin? Yeah. So Martin.
Oh, I see. Thank you very much. Cheers, man.
Square posts. Square posts. Or the stanchions. I think the loss of the stanchion is a disaster.
Yeah.
Did you make it?
This is for my sister.
Claudia.
Yeah.
She's 9, yeah, she's tortured.
Yeah.
This made your day.
Yes. She he sent it back to me. Yeah.
Okay, cool, you need to hand over.
Hello.
Thanks, Hannah, I appreciate it. You have made a young man very happy. Brilliant. Good luck tomorrow night. Thank you. Yo.
much.
Here's like that was a moment that I took off as a kid, and like to be sitting here in Windsor Park, and I'm not an Ireland world champion. Like I feel like I'm going to do really quick photo. And we've got a new world champion, ladies and gentlemen. Put your hands together for Lewis Crocker.
Celebrations as well, the knee slide thrown in, the Dan was in there, Connor was in there. It must have been a special moment for you.
Yeah, it was a great moment, you know, doing the knee slide actually hurt my knees to be honest, so I wish I didn't do it, but you know, by the time I got up, Ballard already had me in a headlock, so I didn't really get to enjoy it that much. I was already getting, you know, people around me, but you know, obviously it's a really proud moment to score my first goal.
Thanks, Trey.
Thank you very much.
Busted? I'm not surprised, mate.
Yeah, it was tough.
Do you know how much you're on yet, or do you not find out till later?
I'll find out tomorrow.
Yeah. I mean, this could have went to about 5 years, but
Really?
you've got it tonight, mate.
Somehow.
Well done.
Thank you very much.
You were unbelievable.
Yeah, I appreciate that.
You're always unbelievable, but tonight was particularly impressive.
Honestly, I didn't think I was great first
Who
off.
do you think should have got it?
I feel like Connor, Justin, Trey. I feel like anyone could have got it. Ethan. Hi Gower, thank you very much for the support tonight. You are 12th man, so loud again, and we appreciate it for such a good result. And we'll see you again Monday. Thank you.
Perfect. Brilliant. Last one of that. Well done. Thank you very much. Come on over here, mate.
When you grab that?
I'm okay.
Right, Bowie.
Amazing.
What about going to watch a good team like Liverpool?
Oh, I know we've lost 3 in a row.
Yes, yes, Bobby.
He loves being here at Northern Ireland, and the fellas have been brilliant. Very welcoming with Bobby, and it was nice that he got to ask him the question today before the Germany game. So yeah, Bobby's dreams come true, coming to see Northern Ireland whenever they play here, as well as being mascot this Monday. And it's very overwhelming for me as a parent to see my child being able to do that. So I really appreciate everything that the Northern Ireland Academy, they've all helped Bobby in some kind of way, going from the disability guy, Jason, and Norrie Clark. It's been amazing.
Yeah, just finally, what's that moment going to be like, seeing him going out with the players?
I'm already getting emotional thinking about it, so I think it'll be an amazing moment, because it's our hometown, it's his home nation. Walk out with a captain, and he's going to see a lot of people in the stadium that either follow him or know him from school or know him from somewhere around his area that he's from, and I think it'll be that wee bit more special that it's a home stadium that he's going to be walking out in, and the atmosphere here is going to be amazing. I know that.
Yeah, it's good because the lads have grown up together, and they generally like coming away. I think people, they come out with cliches, they're all friends and stuff, but the lads actually have grown up together. They have a laugh, they enjoy themselves, they know when to celebrate and to kind of enjoy themselves and let the hair down, but they also know that when we work, and I think you see that in the performances.
And also the staff, the team, it's all quite close knit, and that all comes together with the fans and on the nights here. What did you make of it the other night? Yeah, I've been here for a lot of nights, but I think that was probably the best I've come across. So, and as you said, the staff, there's a continuation from Michael's first reign. And then people like myself have come in, whether it be Jordan or Liam, the sports science, Tony as goalkeeping coach. So there's a freshness to it as well, but it is a close-knit group. I think we're pushing on towards 27, 28 games since Michael came back. So the staff has kind of stayed consistent, and you win together, you lose together, you enjoy yourself. So it's probably similar to the players. We enjoy each other's company, but we work hard when we need to. And then just finally, it doesn't get any bigger than tomorrow night. How are you feeling? It'd be brilliant. Like, we're not scared. That's the thing. It's the big thing with it is we're positive. The way the boys played the other day, they didn't care. They don't care about reputations. They're not scared. They know they're probably, some of them are better than the level they're playing at as well. So I think we'll go. We'll have a lash at it. We'll try and press them. We'll try and get after them. And if we have to fall back and defend, we have the legs to go and attack. So hopefully it's going to be a big night. Thanks, troops. Thank you. Appreciate that.
You're late for a start. Alright. We know we got you under false pretensions, but I've been asked to say a few words on behalf of everybody in the room to congratulate you in their 100 games for Northern Ireland. We just want to show you a wee clip to start off with. It's just about in possession now. So come here. Don't make a fuss if you don't like being made a fuss of.
Obviously we've got a little gift for you here. As Jimmy said, I know you'd like this all straight onto the carpet, but I think it's very important to recognise a truly special milestone. I don't know if you know, but there's 94 players have played where you've given their caps to. So on behalf of past and present here, congratulations. The boys when you buy a nice bottle of wine, but you thought a sweep of 3 quid each was a little bit.
Lovely gesture. Thanks, cousins. Naughty. But listen, it's been a great week for us, okay? And you're a great group to work with, okay? Honestly, like, as an international manager, you want players that want to come and want to apply themselves and want to develop and do well as a team. And you've done that certainly for the majority of the time that I've had the honour to manage you. And the game tomorrow night is a great game for us. It's not about really me at all. It's a great game for us as a squad to lay down a marker. And as I said to you the other night, I believe you're ready to play, and I know you'll be ready to play tomorrow night. So thank you. Nearly, this is for you for your 50th. Feeding time. Yep. There's no meetings tonight, Andy? No?
performing in stadiums, particularly Windsor Park, there's kind of an electric buzz. The first time that I sung here, I don't think I could have ever prepared myself for the roar of that crowd. In fact, today I've turned my headset up that little bit extra because I know how powerful they are, and it's just amazing. It's pure passion, and hopefully it's going to be that magic that they bring that helps drive the team on this evening.
And to make your debut at international level at any event, but to be at the World Cup finals in Mexico, an incredible experience. Looking back, you think, crikey, after the match we were sitting in the change room and some of the senior professionals started to be tears in their eyes. So here's my first game and I was sitting near big Pat Jennings, and Pat just turned around and said some amazing words to me. He said, look David, it really doesn't get any better than this. Here we are in Northern Ireland, one of the smallest countries ever to qualify, against the best team in the world, and the boys did brilliant. But now this current cohort with Michael, wow, they're interesting. Watched the game Friday night. I think they're all young, they're at it, competitive, they can play. Whoa, this could be interesting.
No.
I know it's not exactly the most upbeat thing, but
Show it, yeah.
perfect.
Big thank you to the fans for voting me player of the match. Really disappointed with the result, but the lads gave a really good effort, and you fans were absolutely amazing. So thank you, and we'll see you in November.
Hi Agawa, obviously disappointed with the result tonight, but just want to thank you for your support, and it's amazing as always. So cheers lads, thank you for now.
Appreciate that, mate. I know. Right, will we go back in before your taxi come?
Yeah.
We got on? Yeah.
Did he just like keep talking? I don't know where.
The camera's out, you're getting shy.
Go on, here still. Come here still.
So show me back in. Show me back in. No, back in. Remember that one? Yeah. Right, we'll wave bye-bye to the camera. Bye.